Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create a TikTok shop. So first thing that you will do is simply go to TikTok shop and go to shop.tiktok.com and click on get started and click on join now as a seller, and from there just sign up using your phone number, email, or password. And guys, I recommend setting up a new account specifically for your TikTok shop to keep things flexible. And now from there, just simply enter your details. So guys, register as an individual or business. And from there, just simply enter your shop name and choose a product category. And from there, just simply provide the necessary information about your shop and about your business and about the product that you want to sell. And from there, just simply verify your identity, guys, by just simply inputting your passport or driver license. And remember, you can only open one TikTok shop per person or business. And after that, just simply review the details that you have provided and make sure that it is correct. So make sure to double check your details and also confirm that you are not a third party subcontractor and simply submit your application. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.